Welcome, my dear audience, to a world where emotions intertwine and stories unfold. Today, we embark on a journey through the intricacies of being ignored, a feeling that cuts deep into the core of our being. As we venture into the realm of relationships, friendships, and self-discovery, let us explore how the threads of human connection unravel in the face of silence. Picture this: a vibrant tapestry of positive and inspirational vibes welcomes us. The hum of a gentle melody resonates in the background, setting the tone for the tales to come. In a world where communication is key, being ignored emerges as a formidable adversary, casting a shadow over even the brightest moments. Imagine the protagonist, a soul yearning for recognition, facing the harsh truth that being ignored is not just an absence of words, but a chasm of emotions. The weight of intentional neglect settles like a heavy fog, obscuring the path to understanding. In these moments, the heartache is palpable, as if every ignored word is a pebble dropped into the waters of their soul. But wait, dear listeners, for within this struggle lies a lesson of immense significance. The response to rejection becomes a mirror reflecting the core of our character. As we witness our protagonist's journey, we discover that being ignored is not a verdict of our worth, but an invitation to introspect and evolve. In the realm of connections, some ties must be gently loosened to allow growth. The realization dawns like a sunrise, painting the sky in hues of enlightenment. A choice emerges: to cling to the fading echoes of a bond or to step boldly towards new horizons. It's a heart-wrenching crossroads, illuminated by the flicker of hope and the strength to let go. Characters emerge, each bearing their own tales of resilience. A friend who chooses to walk away from a toxic relationship, a lover who finds the courage to close a chapter of their story, and a soul who learns to dance to the rhythm of their own happiness. Their voices echo through time, reminding us that it's not about ignoring back, but about cherishing our self-worth and embracing our autonomy. Imagine a moment of realization, a cascade of emotions as powerful as a roaring waterfall. The epiphany that being ignored is a beacon guiding us towards our own empowerment. It's a canvas where strong strokes of self-love and determination paint a masterpiece of growth and renewal. As we draw near to the climax of our narrative, let the essence of the tale resonate within you. The curtain falls on a note of bittersweet wisdom. Being ignored, like the turning of seasons, is a natural part of life's intricate dance. It's a symphony of emotions that teaches us to value ourselves and the connections that truly nourish our souls. And so, with gratitude in our hearts and minds enriched, we bid adieu to this tale of introspection and growth. The melody that accompanied us on this journey lingers, a reminder that every note, every word, was a step towards understanding the complex tapestry of human connections. Thank you for joining me, and may the echoes of this story remain etched in your hearts as a reminder to embrace your worth and seek the beauty within.